Hi guys, today we'll be playing Find the Markers. As you can see, I got 19. I just need 2 more to complete because I have never completed any morph games. Okay. Okay. I'm actually confused where these are. 2 last morphs. Where could they be? I got this one. Why does that look so creepy? Anything in here? Nothing. Let me check my brother's collection. Look, I almost got to all of them. He has 18. I have. I 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, he lost 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now my brother has. Here. How you got this one? I don't have that. No, you have 3? No. He has 3 left. I have 2 left. Okay. Muhammad, can you please adopt me? No. Please. No. Our mom is not even in here. My voice. If you play adopt me, I will. If you play adopt me, I will give you my awesome car. Okay, I will play adopt me. Everyone will play adopt me. Yeah, and if my voice always gets like this. What's wrong with my voice today? It's so hard to speak. Okay, I'm loading. Okay. How is this even? Okay, whatever. Just to let you know, I'm never gonna give you all of my toys. Oh my god, does he seriously need to say that? Look at my login streak. And you'll be even amazed with my pets. Yeah. I don't have much, like don't even judge. No. Oh my gosh. This one. You give me one egg. I cannot give you an egg, but this I can give you this cap for a pet. It will look so cute. Egg. And give me a cap. And give me the awesome car. But I only have 2 eggs. But promise you will not give to anyone. I will hatch your egg and then I'll give you one. No hatch the egg. If you hatch it, I will be super angry. I want to hatch it. No, Muhammad. If you hatch it, I will not give. I want to hatch it. Then. Hold on, Muhammad. I'm just gonna create a new account right now. I'm just gonna create a new account. Yeah, I will not have new money up in our room. I'm not a good one. Only a new one. He does not even know because I know he's just lying. Let me just open my game again. Your mom, you're a bad cookie. No, tell Mama, please. Okay. No, tell Mama today. As you can see, I have max friends. So I'm not in the game. I'm just gonna log out. I'll log it out. Okay. I need to sign up. Should I log into one of my accounts? Like, I can't tell my password, but I have to log in. Oh my god, why does this not work? I do not want to log into my real account. Let me just use... Don't ask why I'm using this date. because okay, I'm just gonna use this. My IR name. My. Okay, that. I'm just gonna put this something else because L L L L L. Okay, maybe not. I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I got kicked out. I must make a new account. I'm just gonna put my roblox. Yeah. How? 1, 2, 3. What? How many people have my name? Wania. Thank God. Wait, not Wania. Perfect. Password. I'm gonna close. I'm just gonna close the recording for this because I need the password to be a secret. Bye bye. Okay, guys, I did the password. So which gender? Boy or girl? Boy or girl? Okay, as I'm a girl, so I'm just gonna choose a girl. Okay. What is this? Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh wait, I forgot the password. Hold on, BRB. Okay, guys. Somehow. Ahmed, what's your password? Not password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My password is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually know his password, but I'm not gonna tell it in front of the whole. Don't tell anybody my password, and you can know my password. Okay, sister? Why Ahmed leave the game because I need to friend you? Nope. Okay, you don't friend me. But let me check you and friend me. Wait. Wait, what happened to Mama? Bruh. Just close Roblox and on it again, blue. Stop sitting with me. Sit in the kitchen. Okay, then how will I be able to talk with you? Here you go. Here I am. This is me. This is me. You did answer me? I friend you. This is me. Okay, I will tell the password for this account only if I reach 100 subscribers. So you're joining my game? Look. Okay, sure. Why not? I'm gonna join. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna go because my net is glitching. So, okay, bye.